Hi wig fans. I just came home from work and I wanted to do a really quick review of this unit I'm wearing right now. I wore it to work today for the first time, but I wore it over the weekend. I wore it, it's Monday right now. I wore it yesterday to the 70th birthday party of a friend of the family, and I really like it. It's an old wig. It's been around for a minute. It's called the Kelly Wig. It's from the Janet collection. And one of the things I really liked about it when I was watching the reviews is this really practical, easy, throw it on and go length. It's cut on a bias like this, as you can see. It's not too extreme. It's very cute, very edgy, very like, you know, happening kind of cut. And also I really like the waviness. Now there's a unit like this in the Outree Daily Wig line that I loved and I really had my eye on for a while, but we didn't have it in the budget to pick her up. So when I saw this, I was just like, oh, this is like $21 and change, and the reviews are so good, I figured I would try it. As you can see, I got it in a dark color. This is actually 1B. So like I said, it's the Wig Kelly. It comes in 1B. This is copper, and I believe this is honey blonde. And I'm pretty certain I want to pick this color up too. I've actually seen great reviews of both of these. The other really great feature about this wig is like the 5-inch deep parting. It goes like all the way back here, really. And in general, the parting space is really amazing. Like I might have plucked a little bit in here, but really it's nothing major. Like I didn't even feel like I needed to pluck. I think I was just trying to like neaten it up a little bit, but this is pretty much how it comes. And yes, I realize I didn't do the whole unboxing and cutting the lace in front of you, but you basically know what this wig looks like. It has the mesh cap in the back, very airy and light. You can stick your fingers in here and touch your hair, and it has a soft Swiss lace in the front. It's not like 4x6 parting. This is the only parting space right here, and it is literally, it's ear to ear lace. So this is where the ear tabs are on the side. It has the adjustable straps in the back. It has a comb in the back, and it has, I believe, 2 combs on the side here. I never use them, but they're there. And immediately just putting it on, not adjusting the straps at all, it's very, very comfortable. So very big head friendly, because I have a big head, you know, in case anyone is concerned about that. Super duper checking all of the Wigs for Lazy People required boxes. It was really just this easy. Like it just comes like this. The other thing that I really like about it is because it already looks kind of like the style is messy, like it's hard to really fuck it up. Like that's really important for me because so the other Outree Daily Wig, the other one that I reviewed, what was her name? She's right here. The straight blunt cut bob wig, that is this one. This is the one that I reviewed before. Like it comes like this, but eventually after a while, and also because it's human hair, you wash it, it doesn't really, you straighten it, you mess with it, it starts to kind of look like this. It becomes more poofy, it messes up easier. This is a synthetic wig. This is synthetic. So I'm amazed at how real it looks. Like I really can't tell the difference. Again, I got this in a 1B color, despite my fear of dark colors on me, dark hair colors. I actually really like it. I like it a lot. I would love it, of course, if it came in a 4 chestnut brown, you know, something just a little bit more dimension. But I actually really like this. Like I said, I've only worn it a couple of times, and I love it. It's just really easy. It is, you know, I put my scarf on, there's no tangling, there's no hair in my face, there's not hair down my back. It's a really good spring summer unit, I think. And for $21 and change, it comes up to like 30 something with tax, but you can't really beat this for something that's just really easy, out of the bag. You can just throw it on, literally cut the lace off and go. Like, look at that. It comes like this. This is some of the best parting that I have ever seen on a synthetic wig so far in the history of my wig buying experience. Like, I'm really impressed by it. So yeah, what else is there to say about this unit? I'll turn around a little bit. I think that the longest hair in the front is maybe like, it doesn't say on the card how long it is. It just says Swiss lace, extremely deep part lace wig, and that's about it. I think that this is about 12 inches, maybe 10 or 12 inches. And you can see in the back where it's a lot shorter. The waves are a little bit more defined in the back. I think it's really cute. I did put a little bit of mousse at the top just to lay down like flyaway hairs. I did put a little bit of a mousse within the body of the hair, but not too much. Occasionally I'll just like wet it with water just to like get the curl definition to stand out a little bit more and to just kind of like stay together. But other than that, there's really not much that you have to do with this wig, which is my favorite kind of wig. So, you know, if you're looking for that kind of a wig, the very low maintenance, which is what I love, like this really does check all those boxes. And like I said, I also definitely want to pick up the honey blonde. I kind of just want to see, like in the stock card, this almost looks brown. It's definitely got like some brown and then some like goldish kind of like highlights in it. And in the reviews I've watched, it looks fabulous as well, but I'm always aware of how light changes the way that everything looks on camera when you're watching it on screen. So I just want to see what it looks like in real life. I'm hoping it's not like super light. The way that it looks on the stock card and the way that it has looked in the reviews I've watched, if it looks like that, like I will be very excited. I also dig this copper color. I watched a review of this, I forget the young lady who did it, but it looks so cute on her. But I worry, of course, with a color like copper that it's gonna look too cartoonish or too cheap or too wiggy, because clearly it's not a natural color. But at the same time, that also kind of excites and intrigues me and makes me want to order it. So I think I'll do the honey blonde first, and then maybe we'll see about the copper. When I get the honey blonde, I will definitely come back to review that unit as well. But that's basically it. I like the way it frames my face. I like how easy it is. I like how cheap it is. I got her from Wigtypes. Again, Wigtypes. With the shipping, with the freaking next day shipping, if you order before 5 o'clock, it's there the next day. I love it. Wigtypes. So that's basically it for me. That is basically my review. Let me see if I forgot anything, any other details about this. It says it's heat resistant, safe up to 360 Fahrenheit, 183 Celsius. I usually see up to 400, but in any case, I don't think I would ever put heat on this anyway, because what would I be doing? Like, I like the waves exactly as they are. I did put a little bit of heat just at the top to see if I could flatten this out a little bit, but I don't really want it to be super flat. I just wanted it to be even. And that's basically it. That's basically all the heat that I put on it. This, by the way, does come with some baby hairs. It's hard to see right now because it's all kind of like blended into like the longer hair. So there are baby hairs with this as well for you ladies and gentlemen who like to do that. That is here as well as an option. But I don't really do that, so I just, you know, brushed it in with the rest of it. But you can't beat that. Like, you really can't. So that's basically my review of this wig. I really love it. I think it's great quality. I think it's a great value. I hope you enjoyed this video. Please leave your comments in the comments box below. And if you like seeing content like this from me, please feel free to subscribe. And don't forget to hit the notification bell in the corner so that you are notified of every video that I drop into the YouTube verse. And I will see you in the next video real soon.